Very well.
See if I can figure out how to do it.
Anyway, I got invited to do a little talk at in Houston this weekend. I gave me 2 tickets. Bernadette can't go. You want to come with me? You can visit your mom, and I'll show you around the Space Center. I have one question. Is this a prank? You know, where we land in Houston and
It's
you
a little spicy than I like.
have my face with a mustache and a
It's spicy and
Spanish name, and I get arrested and deported to South America? No. I'm glad, because I would not seen that coming. Maybe I could use some help.
Did you see the price?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be playing Ragdoll Engine. Oh no, it's a pretty funny game if you ask me. You guys should check it out. It's really funny. You get flung up in the air if you go in this area. You see? I'm gonna be posting this on YouTube, so haters gonna hate. Well, yeah, that's right. It's definitely wrong. It's really funny. Hey, what is this kid doing here? This just looks weird. Oh, I could spawn the balloon. Yay. Eat, I need to go on the balloon. Everybody, there's a balloon about to take launch. Okay? There's a balloon out to take launch. Okay? You guys can friend me. Just search up Abby_bruh and you'll find my username, and make sure to friend me. Just make sure to friend me, okay? I'll soon get Builders Club so I can make my own group. And even make my own games. Ah! I forgot to doll! Eat! Oh my god. Oh. Well. I might be playing this game for a long time, or I might be making a part 2. Because I just love how funny this game is. Just let me roll down this dergie. This is like when you fall down a staircase and you'll have literally no control over your body. So by the way, I'll make a part 2 of this because I don't want it to last too long. But like, subscribe, and comment below hashtag Mistwalker69 or hashtag AbbyBro. Okay. Bye.